Now let's simplify 5 whole number 1 over 4 minus 3 whole number 3 over 5. Solution. The first thing you want to do is bring this mixed fraction to become improper fractions. So our 5 whole number 1 over 4 would become 4 times 5 plus 1 over 4, which would give us 21 over 4. And then our 3 whole number 3 over 5 would become 5 times 3 plus 3 over 5, which is, this is 15. 15 plus 3 is 18 over 5. So now we have 21 over 4 minus 18 over 5. So we find the LCM. LCM of 4 and 5 would give us 20. Therefore, 21 over 4 minus 18 over 5 would then become, now we write down our LCM as the common denominator here. So 20. And then for the first fraction, we would have 20 divided by 4. And we multiply that by 21. Minus the second fraction, we have 20 divided by 5. And then we multiply that by 18. Now, 20 divided by 4 will give us 5. So we are multiplying 5 by 21 minus 20 divided by 5 will give us 4. So we are doing 4 multiplied by 18 all over 20. Alright, so 5 times 21 will give us 105 minus, now 4 times 18. So that's 18 times 4. 4 times 8 is, that's 32. So 2, carry the 3. 4 times 1, that's 4. Plus 3, that's 7. 72 over 20. Now 105 minus 72, that would give us 33 over 20, which when we bring this to mixed fraction, we would get 20 will go in 33 once, remainder 13 over 20. Therefore, 5 whole number 1 over 4 minus 3 whole number 3 over 5 would give us 1 whole number 13 over 20. Thank you.